summer. We did that. We had a great time together. However, I learned on Sunday, this past Sunday, that I had been in contact with someone that tested positive for COVID-19. In fact, I also learned that I was in contact with that person days before I learned they were positive, and they had been symptomatic. I have been tested and I am negative. However, my family and I are self-quarantining at home. Even though I'm negative, we're doing this in accordance with CDC guidance and as a precaution for our friends, family, and neighbors. I remain in constant contact with my team at City Hall, emergency management, and healthcare leaders as we continue to monitor and respond to this pandemic.